dancing on bottle. So I'm going to fetch my baby. She's still going to cry because she doesn't want the mitts on her hands. Hopefully she don't took her hands like Baba down. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Oh, oopsie. Why did you just, guys? This girl is so crazy. See, did go throw my baby's milk out, and yeah, damn it fell off because she's here every time. So yeah. Every time on anyways, yeah, I'm gonna make food while this one is. So yeah, they are on the phone the whole time now. So yeah, on the phone. So from now on, I am going to sleep somewhere in this room, and my baby's going to sleep her because just in case for these two because they like to play on the phones. Like that. So it's currently night time right now, and they hate going to sleep. But they are, yeah. Anyways, so I'm going to make her some food. There's already food. Let's just test if she wants these. Girl, listen to me. You're going to get that food. Nice. Let's just take the fork. No. Let's just take it. I don't know. It's going to cut her because she loves to put her whole mouth in it. She don't want it. You can see. Ja. Kijk in
Gaat dit op YouTube zetten?
Ja. See? She don't like it. It's hurting me. So yeah, my baby girl, she was with her grandparents. So I'm gonna go look her. Jamie. She's shopping right now. Ooh. She's looking at her sister. She's looking at the mirror now. You see? She's looking at the mirror. She's looking at the mirror. Can you see that face, guys? She's wiggling too much. You're gonna hurt yourself, girl. She loves to look at the mirror, so yeah. Look at her face, look at it.
Als die jouw van
Hey. Dan staat ze de phone.